SCHNEIDER Folding Doors, with their innovative aluminum frame technology, are setting new standards in terms of energy efficiency, design, and sustainability. The thermal separation of the newly developed and patented door frame reduces heat loss and minimizes condensation of room air on the inside of the door. This increases well-being through a constant temperature level in the interior of buildings. The plastic separators used in the frame, combined with the insulating material and triple glazing, allow for the best possible U-value. This helps to keep energy costs low and supports the proper insulation of the building. The outlines of the ceiling are phased to fit into one another. This leads to an exceptionally high level of airtightness. The stable aluminum frame construction allows large spaces of real glass to be used for improved light conditions inside the building. It thus also helps to shape the building's outer appearance. The weight of the door wings is taken up by the durable and smooth-running rail system. Easy handling of the door is thereby guaranteed. The mounting of the door is hidden in every possible mounting scenario, making it seamlessly integrated into the facade. Mounting is possible in front of, behind, or in the reveal. Depending on the selected mounting position, the door can open either to the inside or outside of the building. The folding door adjusts to every possible situation and style of architecture by combining colored panels with real glass. For more sustainability and to protect our environment, the folding doors are made according to the highest industry standards and delivered to our customers on short transportation routes. SCHNEIDER Folding Doors combine highest energy efficiency with appealing design and provide long-lasting and resource-saving solutions across the entire product lifecycle, with low expenses for maintenance and service cost savings are guaranteed. SCHNEIDER Folding Doors for higher efficiency.